And you know, I'm not mad at you if you've heard it yet. I don't trip off shit like that. I make this music for y'all. I don't give a fuck. If you fuck with me and you go buy it, I love you for that. I will continue for the rest of my career to do this for y'all, because y'all are the reason I'm here. And you know what? I'm so fucking proud of y'all, man, for real. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Let me get my shit off on it. I like a woman with a future in the past. A little attitude, crime all good, it'll make shit last. Don't make it too easy, girl, don't make it too fast. Yeah, that's it right there, that's it. Do it just like that. Only you can do it just like that. I love it when your hair's still wet. You just took a shower, running on the treadmill and on the eating salad. Sound so smart like you graduated Howard. Like you went to Yale, but you probably went to Howard. No, you. We get in Miami, try to study by the pool. Couple things do, but you always get it done. Might have been a time where I loved her too, but you take that away. You always been the one. I wonder why the moon looks nice, girl. Maybe it's just right for the night. You see niggas coming on too strong, girl. They want you in their life as a wife. That's why you wanna have no sex, why you wanna protest, why you wanna fight me, alright? You don't love them boys, pussy run anything, fuck that dog. You got it, girl, you got it. There you go. Can't you tell by how they looking at you everywhere you go? Wonder if it's on your mind, it must be hard to be that fine. But I just wanna waste your time, it's just amazing, girl. All I can say is, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Everything's adding up, you can do hella back, that's why your back's up, you know you are. I said Cleveland. I'm so proud of you. Y'all ready to do this shit one more time? I wanna hear y'all. I'm about to take my ears out too. Let's go! I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Bring all my lights down. Bring all my lights down. Now look, I'm gonna tell you something. I've done a lot in my career. I'm 25 years old. I'm still one of these young niggas out here. And when I see another young man doing his thing, I always salute and I always show love. So Ohio, I want you to show some motherfucking love for Machine Gun Kelly. Yeah, bitch, what's up, what's up? Eastside Cleveland, we got baseball bats at the Indians and my team pop off like cowboys. You a white flag, blow that cowboy. I'ma jump right in that crowd, boy. You keep it down, boy. And I'ma fuck you, blow that loud, boy. All I know is how to kill every one of myself. All they know is they can kill anybody on hell. I ain't gonna talk to people who think I'm on the jail, but I'm never gonna get it around when I'm on the bed. Yeah, I get in the stage, put it on the scale. Never know what I have to eat, put it in the shell. Put it in the water, then let it up, like it's independent. Say I got a bottle, I get put it in the air. Now back for my city, back for Joe Kitty. Please, back for Joe Kitty on his rough. I get kisses on the train, till I get busy, bitch. Smoke until I get dizzy, bitch. Lose control like Lizzie, but I'm a bad boy, hard on this bitch. There you go, that John Joe. Say what, say what, say what. Say what, say what, say what. Never mind, that just counts with that heat. Fuck the John Joe. Yeah, bitch.
Drake, I know you got to swing it up, right? Do you mind if I sit and watch while you perform?
By all means, this is your place, man.
You are calling me, I make myself comfortable.
Make yourself comfortable.